Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to modify the privacy of voice messages in Telegram. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner and press on the three lines there. Now just press on your profile here, and after that press on privacy and security. Now you can just scroll down here, and after that press on voice messages, and you can set it to the one that you want. You can see it can be everybody, your contacts, or nobody. But in order to change this, you have to have a premium subscription. As you can see, it is locked behind the premium membership, and unless you're subscribed to it, you cannot change it freely. So that's pretty much it, really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.